It's rising, guys. I low-key woke up with a headache, so I came and got right in my favorite spot. I just had some spearmint tea, but I'm about to get up and get myself together because we're about to go outside. But guess what? It's like 50 something degrees out there. Y'all know how I feel about the cold. I don't like it. Every day I take my Array Tribiotic and oil oregano.
That is it.
Because it's cold out there. Can't do nothing with these nails on.
That is it.
Okay, now I'm about to take my maca root. Is it maca or maca? Maca root, iron phosphate, and then this is a V-biotic. This dropper don't work. This one is so nasty. This iron tastes like booty. All right. If you can take alcohol shots, you can take healthy wellness shots. Okay? Cheers. Oh!
That is it.
Oh! No, 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 no! I'm living without you. Oh, this tag is irritating. I'm gonna have to cut this out. I can't do it. Yeah, that gotta go. All right. Let's put this hair up in a pony. I had the weirdest dreams last night. I don't really remember exactly, but I just know they were very weird and strange and like uneasy. I don't know. Like Stranger Things type movie. Yeah, I popped this pimple last night and I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done it. Shouldn't have. It's so gloomy out there. I don't even want to go out there. It's depressing outside. And cold. All right, I'm ready. Okay, so this is from Fashion Nova. It's so cute. I just had to show y'all my little outfit. Okay. Y'all, look at this freaking passion fruit. Like, that shit is wild. Freaking Locs are in the way.
Look at this.
Yo.
I think this is Cavendish. It's the bananas you get in the store.
The regular ones. Spiderwebs and shit.
It's not. Let's go.
Wow. Yo, they're heavy.
Oh yeah.
Yo. About to go harvest some plants from this forest. You can do it with your back into it. Free snake plants. It literally looks like a jungle in there. No, that's good. Look at all these pineapples. For me?
Oh my gosh.
For me? Oh, brother.
You have to put that in a little glass of water. See what that.
It's probably not gonna. I don't know. Oh, sweetie. Meow.
Tomatoes got a little papaya too. I moved them from over there.
How many papaya trees do you want? Do you see how freaking thick this green onion is? I've never seen green onion this thick in my life.
That's about 6 months old.
That's crazy.
Yeah, this is I ain't.
Y'all, my head is pounding. Look at these freaking pimples, yo. Okay, so this is where I decided to put the snake plant for now. It looks so cute. It looks so cute right here.
She found him a few minutes before we did.
Period. This is so random, but I just made some callaloo and rice for dinner. I was like, maybe I'll have some beans or something with it, but I don't want beans. And it's literally nothing in my refrigerator right now because I need to go grocery shopping. So this is the meal for tonight because I don't feel like going nowhere and I'm not ordering out. Okay? Now get into it. All I'm missing really is some avocado. Like, that would have just made it top tier, but it is what it is.
But I think you might really want it.
Thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I know this one is kind of short, but my every day don't be an adventure. Every day don't be a full 30-day, an hour vlog. I'm sorry, my life is not that exciting yet. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, all of that. As always, I'm sending you nothing but love, peace, joy, happiness, abundance, health, wealth, prosperity, joy, freedom, financial freedom, abundance, all of the good things. Until tomorrow.